We are Chiron, and we are here to help. Many of you have been wondering how this is so. We are here to tell you when you witness a channeling, the channeler is not reaching outside of themselves. Oftentimes, it comes from within. The channeler is often a starseed, and in being a starseed, they are connected to that inner part of themselves who once lived as an ET. So in their soul's blueprint, in the ether, they still have connection to their soul's energetic blueprint. When it is activated, they make the connection with their star seed selves. And in being a star seed and having lived in other planets and dimensions, in other realities of time and space, that means their inner soul, inner knowing, their subconscious knows how to put themselves into a vibration in which to come into vibrational awareness of other species of existence as well, of higher dimensions, of higher consciousness. Because we all understand that we are all one and connected. We all come from Source. We are connected through the grid work that spans more than just Earth. It is a galactic grid as well, a universal one. Sort of like a family tree, but on a more quantum level. So by having this knowledge embedded within their soul's blueprint, they know how to bring their vibration into vibrational awareness of that of other species as well. That's why some channelers can channel so many species at one time, because they understand how to access that vibrational frequency of that species, which then allows them to access that information that is not known to their physical selves at this time, in present moment, until it is channeled. That species' vibrational awareness becomes their vibrational awareness, and thus they are downloaded with thoughts, ideas, and wisdom that may not be of their own in this carnation, in this body. But when they have access to that vibrational frequencies, their thoughts become the thoughts of those other species, and vice versa. Is when you tune into something, into that vibrational frequency and which they emit, you become one. It is not giving one's power away. It is in fact a knowing of one's power. In knowing your power, in knowing yourself, and knowing that you are the code, you know how to access that information more easily, and it is expressed in multiple ways. It is not giving away power, it is an act of reclaiming it, because all humans have the ability to channel. All humans are psychic. All humans have these extrasensory capabilities. It was just forgotten long ago from a dampening of the mind. Do not fear. When you fear, you put yourself into a vibrational frequency to fear that which you are fearing, thus attracting more. So if you put your attention on the dark things that are happening in the world, or the dark things that you are scared of happening to you, then you put yourself into that vibrational frequency, thus picking up the very dark thing that you are fearing. The talk of these implants, these beings attaching to you, while yes, there is that vibrational frequency which exists, it is by you becoming aware of it and fearing it and thinking about it that you put yourself into that vibrational state on which these beings can then attach themselves. So keep your attention on the positive. Do not look at these things which scare you. Do not look at these things which can attach to you. Because by doing so, you are matching their vibrational frequency, thus allowing them entrance. Keep your field strong.